Okay guys, well, hello, welcome to another video. This is a Visual Basic .NET program video. So this is going to be a challenge for us. So we have a question where it says write a code for a spin button procedure which performs three tasks as follows. The program should it should hide a photo, a digital photo. That's the first part. Then the other part, it will require us to create three random numbers for the three labels. Then the third one, it will display the photo when number 7 appears maybe on the screen or somewhere within the program. So what we need to do, we have to find where we can find the spin button. I hope this goes well. Spin. Okay, this is weird. Button. So we just have the radio button, the speed button, and we should really need to do something here. How about if put the button? Will it do? Yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's search for this numeric up down. Okay, so let me just pin this to the side. Let's now drag and drop within this form, right? Just like this. Okay, so this will actually is our spin button. Yeah, so what we need to do next, since we've added the spin button, and so we're going to add this kind of like some labels. So where do I put the picture? Some labels, so which I mentioned, right? So there is the first label, right? Then we need to add like about I think should add like 3 labels to the to the screen. So how do? We just click on it and drag this one by hitting Ctrl and drop. Then we just do the same, drag and hit Ctrl. So as the question said, we need to create 3 random numbers for 3 labels. So these are the 3 labels which we have, right? And okay, the next part, so later on we have to display a photo when number 7 appears maybe within these 3 things. So let me try to arrange this one. Let me put it here. Then let's find what we call, is it a photo box? Is it a Photoshop or a picture box? Yes, we drag and drop it to the screen just like this. Okay, let me just drag and drop and let me try to align it properly. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, should I stretch this form so that it can be either? Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let me just stretch it to the other side so that we can see something good here. Okay, like here. Then those 3 labels, I think I will just align them like this, right? I think that will be kind of like proper. So let me just do this, align them how, like this. And let me put them here like on the center. Then I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to adjust my picture box just like this. Yeah, so now as you can see, we have made these items which are required for us to proceed, right? So you can do whatever you want on the side, but so we have the label 1, a label. Okay, so let me just call it label 2 on this part of the screen. Okay, this one is label 2. Let's see if I can get, okay, why am I not able to use label 2? Let's see. Okay, label 2, enter. Why? This is weird. Okay, so let me try to delete this one, right, and this one. Let's see, and let's drag and drop our label. It still is called label 1. So well, let's see if we become label 2, right? And then we do the same and drag and drop here and call it label 3. So it seems like we were not able to change the design name here, like into 3. As you can notice, we cannot. So the first thing which we need to do is just delete and drag another one, and you to have a different name code. Let's see, this is on this label 2, we need label 3. Then finally it did not even change. Okay, let me just leave it like that though, because this is now stressful. So within now we need to go where we have to code the whole thing, right? Just by, so this one I'm going to rename the name of this one into what, spin button, right? Just like this. Then I enter. Then I'm going to double click on this spin button, right, which we did created. So next, what we need to do, we need to create a certain code. We are going to say, okay, photo box, right? Okay, let me try to call upon my photo box. Okay, sorry, picture, this one is called picture box. Sorry, we're using what we call a picture box, and it's called picture box 1, right? Dot visible. Then we're going to call it false, right? Just like this. Then on the next line, right, we need to generate 3 random numbers and update the labels. So we're going to say, okay, we're now going to create a variable called random, which is going to be stored as just new random. Yeah, just a random number, just like this. Then we put this. Okay, on the next line, right, so we have our, if I have to double click this so that I can get the full name. So I have this called label 1, right? What's going on here? This is label 1. Let's check the name. This is label 1. This is written label 3. This is weird. So let's just do it. So we are going to say, okay, label 3, right? Label 3, right, dot txt, because we want to change the text within the label 3. Okay, we need to change this one. No wonder why it was refusing to change. So we're going to say random. Okay, then we're going to say dot next, right? Then dot next. Okay, we have to, okay, just like this. Then I'm going to put 11. Okay, then I have to convert them into to strings, which are going to be displayed on the screen. Where's my tab button? Okay, I need to autocomplete here, just like this. So I'm going to do the same thing on the following 2 labels, so that it can generate whatever it wants. Okay, then I'm going to name the other one okay, label 1. Then I'm going to label this one label 2, just like this. As you can see, we have done on this part now. So let's just even compile and run it, check if there are some errors. Okay, this is still debugging. Okay, as you can see, I just clicked. The next one is 0, is changing, is even changing in this field. So this one is fair and fine. So now on the other part of our code, right here, this is the kind of like interesting part, because we're going to give a space, and now we need to show a picture, right? I don't know where you should put the picture. Also, when our label, any of those labels turn into 7, so we're going to, okay, so if, right, label 1 dot txt, right, because we want to take the content of the text, label 1 dot text, right, we're going so because we want to use the text, is if it is equal to 7, right, what we, or okay, let me put a space here. I love using space. If label 2 dot txt is equal to 7 again, or label, come on, what's happening? Okay, let me do this. Or label 3 dot txt, okay, is equals to 7. Okay, then you should perform a certain task for us. So we need to say, okay, we're going to say photo. No, we are using a picture box here. Picture box dot visible, right? Just like this, and we are going to say is equals to it's equals to true, just like this. Okay, now we're done on this part. So but you should remember what our question goes like, okay, we have to write a code for a spin button procedure which performs three tasks as follows. The first one, which you've created, right, it hides a digital photo, right? Then it's going to create three random numbers which we've noticed, and it displays the photo when 7 is when the 7 appears. No, so as you can see, reference, remember, it requires reference because there is no picture, right? So let's work on this part of the program. Okay, on this picture box, what do we do? Okay, let's see if I can find okay, let's go here and let's look for a picture within my computer. So I'm going to go on downloads and I'm going to find a non-copyright picture so that we do not be caged by copyrights. So I found the picture. Maybe I choose this or this. Okay, then I click on okay, I think so. I just clicked okay, but then this picture is totally filling the whole space and it's not even being visible enough. So let's see if there is some properties which we can change on or work on so that we can see something. Okay, so under these properties, right, okay, let's see if I can find a property for that image. Am I clicking the right thing? Oh, yeah. So okay, border style none, case on none. All right. Okay, image location, wait on load. Okay, enabled. All right, size mode normal. Let's see how it goes here. Okay, sender. Okay, let me try to auto size. Come on, not sender image. Okay, just for the sake of the program, let's just run our program, right? And let's see how it goes. It's okay, we still have an error, right, on our part. It says okay, let's see how it goes here if I really work it out again. So let's say picture box, okay, one, right, dot visible is equal to true, right? Just like this. Let me just delete this and let's compile and run and see if there is still an error which is coming on again, and it does not exist. So as you can see, we have our program and we need to run it. As you can see, it have disappeared. The next part, when you get a 7, it shows to the screen. Just imagine there is a 7, next time there's no 7, there's no 7, there's no 7, there's no 7, and there's no 7 on the screen until we hit the 7 and our picture is being shown. What about if we close our program, right, and we remove this image and see if we are going to get an error? Is it going to say, yo bro, can you show us an image? That's a homework for today or on your spare time. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the Spinbox tutorial. Cheers, bye for now. But the Spinbox which you're using is not even a Spinbox, it's a numeric numeric up and down. So guys, thank you for watching. Much humbled.